Today's topic is rounding numbers. We have already learned about ordering numbers. Ordering means arranging the numbers according to its size from small to big or big to small. Now let's learn about rounding numbers. Why we are supposed to round the numbers? Because it's easier to do the calculation. Let's take an example of a chocolate box. Usually we get the chocolates pack of 10, 20, etc. rather than 28, 57. Recall the pencils in your pencil box to be in the counts of 10, right? Okay, now even over here I can see a pet animal over here. If the weight of this puppy is 35.8435 kgs, I am fine when I say its weight is 36 kgs rather than such a huge number. So in such cases it is preferable to round the number to its nearest decade rather than writing such a huge number. Rounding to the nearest hundreds. Over here I have written the number according to its place value. To round the number to nearest hundreds, you are supposed to look at the number to the right of the hundreds place, that is 4. If the number is lesser than 5, then we are supposed to retain the number and just add zeros to the right. Now I round this number. The number becomes 5600 because the number to the right of 6 is lesser than 5. So I have written the number over here and just added 2 zeros. This is how I round to the nearest 100. Rounding to the nearest thousands. If you round the number to nearest thousand, you are supposed to look at the number to the right of the thousands place, that is 7 over here. So the number 7 is greater than 5. So we are supposed to increase the thousands place by 1. So the 5 becomes 6 and add the zeros to the right side. This is how we have to round the number to the nearest thousands. Work out these sums on page number 4. Let's solve the question number 2 on page number 4. See, over here there is a number line which has been marked. This is 5500 and over here they have marked it as 6000. So when I look at the number line, I can know that each small line over here represents a 50 because there is a jump from 5500 to 5600. So each jump is 50. So what would be this number over here? What does this number over here indicates? It should be between 6000 and 6050. Each division is 50, so this should be 25. So the arrow indicates 6025. So let's look at the 2D. Now I can see that the number has jumped from 7000 to 8000 with 10 division in it. So each division would definitely be in terms of hundreds. So this would be 7100, 7200, 7300, 7400, etc. So what would be this arrow which indicates over here? 7100, 7200, 7300, 7400, 7500, 7600 and this is 7700. It should be between 7600 and 7700. So what comes in between that? So it is 7650. Do work out A and B by yourself.